friends, this is Miss Laura. Today we're going to learn how to do a foam board print inspired by the Japanese artist Hokusai. If you were in my art class, you'll remember that we studied Hokusai, who was a famous artist who did woodblock prints. And we learned all about his paintings. And one of his prints he did was called the 36 Views of Mount Fuji. It was a series of prints, and in each of them, Mount Fuji was in the print. Today we're going to learn how to do a print inspired by Hokusai. So what we need is some foam board. You can get a styrofoam foam. This is one from the store. I think there was some cheese on it. Or if you get some food from a restaurant, you can save the styrofoam. And what you're going to do is cut off the side. And if you need some help, ask an adult in your house to help you out. We're going to cut all the way around. And then I'm going to cut this into two pieces so I can make two different foam board prints. So now I've got my two pieces of foam board, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture. So my first one, I'm going to do one inspired by Hokusai. I'm going to draw Mount Fuji with some snow on it, some waves in the background, some more waves. Do a boat. You're going to take your pencil and you're going to want to press hard, but not all the way through the foam board. I'm going to do some birds in the air. And next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paint and I'm going to do a thin layer of paint all the way across the styrofoam board until the whole thing is covered. All right, I'm going to get my paper and I'm going to flip over my print and press it down. You're going to want to press down hard so that the paint comes all the way onto the paper. You're going to gently lift it off, and there you have your print. I can see the boat and some waves. So we can do this with one color, but if you want to, you can also use more than one color. And you can make a card. I'm going to take a bigger piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to make a card for a friend. So there's my paper. I'm going to check this fits on the paper. I'm going to draw a flower today on this piece. Some petals, and again I'm going to press hard, but not too hard that the pencil goes all the way through the foam. Do a stem here, some leaves, do whatever picture you want. Some birds in the air. Now I'm going to use a few different colors on this one. Orange on the top, some purple, try some pink, some blue. You can use whatever colors you have at home and experiment. So when you've painted your whole foam board, we're going to again flip it over onto our paper. And I'm going to press down hard on the foam board and kind of smooth it out so you make sure all parts of the paint are transferred. We're going to carefully lift it off. And there I've got my card for a friend of a flower. I hope you all enjoy making your own Hokusai inspired foam prints at home. See you soon. Bye.